नमस्कार, मैं आपका डॉक्टर किशन चंद्रा। Again, I want to discuss to you about liquid waste decomposer used in fishes. Earlier we are using the waste decomposer, you all know. Lot of video I have put on the channel, and lot of farmers are using it and they are getting benefits. Not a single case so far has came across to me where this waste decomposer is not worked or given any side effect. It is very true. Lot of videos I have put. Now this liquid waste decomposer or thorough waste decomposer, what farmers are calling, it has a better results, more powerful. All the bacteria present inside, it is in live form, and some bacteria, very special bacteria are in there. Bacillus subtilis, of course, it is inside. We all know it works nicely, but species is very good. So this liquid waste decomposer, how to multiply, we all know. As usual, 100 liter water, 1 kg jaggery. You can take jaggery, any old jaggery, any type of jaggery which is not consumed as a human. We are supplying to the animals, the same jaggery you can take it. Don't take very refined jaggery or costly jaggery. Costly jaggery is purified, or they are mixing some chemicals, mixing some materials that is not required for multiplication of the liquid waste decomposer. So you take a 1 kg and multiply it. Please don't ask again and don't use the sugar or any other materials, sweet material which is needs to be multiplied for your thinking for multiply of our liquid waste decomposer, because that will not give you better results. Something you can get, but for long run you will not get the better results. So please use this jaggery only. You may try other things, but that you cannot keep it as a mother culture for a long period. My suggestion is only you use 1 kg of jaggery. More than jaggery, 1 kg, it is, you may get some worms. Less, it is not very ideal because some bacteria may not multiply. So this may be happen. So please use 1 kg of jaggery for 100 liter water, because last 7 years we are using the same thing and we are getting the best results. So in the fishes, we are multiplying in a pond, open pond. So there it required some manure. A manure should be prepared with this liquid waste decomposer first. What we have to do, near the pond, you have to take the 4 or 5 tons, 5 tons of, you can say, material, dung. If it is cow dung, it is good. Otherwise, buffalo dung, you can take it, or any other manure dung, you can take it. That dung, wet dung, you have to keep it. And if it is nearby, you have some dry leaves, mix the dry leaves. At least 50 to 100 kg, mix with this and wet. Pour the liquid waste decomposer what you have prepared with this waste material. Keep it under the tree. If it is not tree, let it be in open sunlight. In winter, it may take some more time because temperature is low. But in summer, it takes only 15 days. To keep it in winter, 25 days, I can say November, December, January. But in other period, you can keep it 15 days. So after 25 days, as it is a winter season, but in some part of our India, its temperature is same. So even hot, so you can keep it 15 days. So after 15 days, you will see small worms will come inside. Why? Because it is half decomposed. When half decomposed material is there, it start worms. That is a food for the worms. Earthworms. Worms means earthworms. And this liquid waste decomposer contains very high quality of the bacteria and which release the protein. So it generates your local earthworms. Automatically it will come in your waste. You can see different types of worms, earthworms will come. So this total waste material, if your pond is big, you can 5 tons material in 1 acre pond, you can just spread it, throw it. What will happen when it reaches to in the pond? It is already earthworms. Earthworms will multiply. That is a feed for your fishes. And this, it has already decomposed, half decomposed material. So it is nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, and minerals, whatever present in the dung, it is available to the pond in the soil. So it will start generating of lot of aquatic plants, which is good for the fishes. Some fishes they eat, that is a feed, and that also give the environment, that also helps in cleaning the water. So it is all property of the aquatic plant. So this waste decomposer, what will do, when it is mixed every time for the big pond, you have to, farmers are using the 500 liter of waste decomposer solution per week, every 7th day, they are using it, just throwing in the water. But in some cases where the people are doing the biofloc, I have attached this West Bengal one video. One of my farmers, he has taken the 600 liter of water pond in the closed circuit, and there he has used, when fish was small, 2 inches small, he has used 1 liter of waste decomposer, liquid waste decomposer in 600 liter of water. When it is, fish has increased, its size is 2 inches, he used 2 liter of waste decomposer solution. You can use some more also, up to 5 liter you can go, there is no harm. If any uneasiness is there, this fishes will start upside, it will start floating, but it will not die because it reduces the motility. And your fish, when you are using every week in 500 liter water, you are using this every week 5 liter waste decomposer. It is good, and it will not allow the skin disease. It will clean the water, so your environment in the water will be better, oxygen level will be increased, BOD will be less, and water quality will be changed. This all things you will get. Some of more bacteria is there, but if you add this Varna bacteria, that is more useful. That is for the commercial purpose. For the sink, what you say, or you prawn, you can, what you say, or commercial crops, commercial fishes where people are doing, they are required because that will make cost high. Because Varna bacteria is not easily to get, it is difficult to multiply. So if it is mixed with this liquid waste decomposer and you are using it, you will get very good result. With this also you will get very good results. Weight of the your fish will increase, quality of the fish will increase, protein content will increase. That you can send any lab and test it. Don't come influence with the any other person who has not used the waste decomposer, or they are attached with the some other companies or some other their vast interest, their own interest. So here I request to my all the farmers, please use waste decomposer first and observe yourself. Send this water for testing, send this your fish after harvesting and testing. I assure you, any lab you can send, national, international, anywhere, you will get the better results than whatever you are doing with traditionally with the chemicals. I am not against with the chemicals, not to use, but reduce the things where you are using the hormones, where using the some other material with antibiotic or some other material which is very not good for the fish, and that is not good for the human being also. That you have to stop it. Use this waste decomposer and see the results. If you want to do the experiment, you can take a small pot, your plastic pot, put 20 liter your water, where you are keeping the fish, and put the same fish inside. Put 20, you have used 20 liter of water, use our 1/2 liter of 200 ml to 1/2 liter of waste decomposer solution every week, and observe the fish. Give the same feed and see the changes. If you are getting the better results, then you can go in larger scale. But try yourself. Don't believe on the others, because people are just creating the confusion so that you cannot get the proper thing. You cannot use the beneficial things. So I request, humbly request to all my farmers, all my viewers, please use liquid waste decomposer in the fishes. Either it is closed circuit, it can be used in all type of fishes. Any fishes you use, you will get the better results. And no match quality will come. Disease free your fish you can harvest, and that will benefit to you. Nutrition value will be high and benefit to the human being who they are going to consume it. So again I request you try it and see your observation, and please share your videos, whatever results you are getting. You can WhatsApp me if any query, but I assure you result is guaranteed because it is well tested and no need of further any testing, because when I am informing to you, it is my responsibility to take care of things. I have to do all the basic work, I have to do all the research in-house. In the field I have did, in-house I have did, and then I am informing you. Earlier also I had informed, the liquid waste decomposer you will get better results. And one more thing, lot of people who ask, they have already multiplied the old one, so there you can put this liquid new one. It is no harm, because whatever the additional bacteria is there, it will come in your liquid and you will get the benefits. But if you have taken the culture from any other source, some private companies or some people who is selling this liquid bottle, giving a small bottle in liquid form, what you have multiplied in your cream color, your solution, white color solution, in different name, there you remove it, don't mix it, this liquid one, you prepare the fresh culture and use it. And don't take, because now it is available everywhere, people are using it, don't take this fake things, people are just cheating it, selling in high cost. Forget about thing, take this material and use it continuously. So this is my again humble request, use it and share your video. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Biofloc we can use the waste decomposer liquid form. As we all know, this liquid waste decomposer can be prepared in 100 liters of water using 1 kg of jaggery and 1 bottle of liquid waste decomposer, or some people called it sterile waste decomposer. The same has been used by one of our farmer in West Bengal in biofloc. He has taken 600 liters of water in the tank. There he is keeping the fishes. He is keeping high density fishes. High density means more fishes in the one tank. And he has used initially, when the fish was small, 0.1% this waste decomposer, means 1 liter he has used about in 600 liters of water. When the fish became bigger in size, about you can say 2 inches, then he has increased the 2 liter of waste decomposer per tank. And this he is maintaining every week. Every week he used to put 2 liters of waste decomposer in the tank. And as per his observation, the fishes became more healthy, their activity, mortality is less, and activity is very high. They are more energetic, and weight of the fishes started increasing. Feed is initially consumed much, but later on it is became static. But the weight of the fish is increasing continuously in comparison to other chemicals or other methods used. Even in feed, he is using this waste decomposer, wetting the feed with the waste decomposer and putting it. So he is satisfied with the results. So this liquid waste decomposer you can properly use in the biofloc for getting a good quality of fish and without disease. It also controls the disease. These are all the good feed.